It's the dawn of a new era. It seems like man have lost the sight of God. They're so caught up in fighting for power, but the truth is we're all one. Me now come make this crazy world change me. Me stand up on the grind, cause me never lazy. Please turn my vocals up, make sure they hear me. Inna your mind like a dog, you have to hear me. Man lose them soul over the dilemma. Them fighting for gold, but life is the treasure. It's more than the eyes can see and the brain can measure. The soul shall reign forever, ever.
What a crazy world we are living in. It's a crazy world we are living in. See this crazy world we are living in. Got to make a change, got to make a change. What a crazy world we are living in. Real crazy world we are living in. See this crazy world we are living in. Got to make a change.
What the world need is peace. When can the violence cease? Overseas and in the West Indies, gunshot are beat by bad boys and police, while the government a crave for greed. World need is peace. When can the violence cease? Overseas and in the West Indies, gunshot are beat by bad boys and police, while the government highly are the king and Marcus Garvey are the prophet, holy Manuel I are the high priest. Three now one them come to conquer the beast. Man I Asian Kush and I add it to the east. See them in a them church, I eat them damn bloody feast. Give praises to the Pope and I bend down on them knees. Enough of them go accept the mark of the beast. Some know this a fire can't seize. Anyway the wicked and the righteous nothing measure. Written in the Bible but no negative flesh. Them can't apologize for all the youths them molest. The blood Christ of Zion come to lay you to rest. This a one rasta, now have no button for press. My bun competition and I bun contest. A righteousness to get to you, them come to manifest. Ma find out the king, are the highest.
We losing us, when smiles keep abusing us, when lies keep confusing us. Yeah, yeah. If like we choose, learn the rules to win and not lose like fools. Yeah, we losing us, when smiles keep abusing us, when lies keep confusing us. Yeah, yeah. If like we choose, learn the rules to win and not lose like fools. Yeah, I've been looking at us wondering why this life we not conquering. Most of us be fumbling and stumbling, not gunning in and aiming high like quantum numbering. We just sunken like lumber and cut up. Lives be funneling and crumbling. Same story like a repeat, no glory, just like a deadbeat. Not viewing it, the truth hurts. Rather see them lies work. Tell me what I wanna hear so I can feel good about my yesteryear. Really not that clever here. Claim Christ and live like the devil here. Wishing I was never here. Something of a mystery. Don't wanna be history, but living so miserably. Clenched fist, bare knuckle, grizzly.
Because you have some boy where you hype with things where you not for them. Same way them hype with y'all where you not for them. Not for them no baller, there was some go for them. Try roll like big dog when I some puppy them. See them still a hype with things where you not for them. Same way them hype with y'all where you not for them. Not for them no baller, there was some go for them. Try roll like big dog, the world you a puppy them. Alright, you have some boy where you run down Boston. Only thing them worry about is flossing. Can't be a done if other people things you endorsing. Can't start a car without asking. So how you feel talk about your falling? And when you roll out you have curfew when fi rolling. Never own the money you holding. Go a bar go buy the Hennessy, but the bottle you can't open. Careful how you sit on it. Watch where you eat, don't make nothing spill on it. When the boss can you drive the car, get a little shit. When the boss come you tell lie, say the car they a mechanic.
What's wrong with this world? What's happening? Boys and girls, what's happening? This whole white world is getting crazy. It's getting crazy. I tell you this whole white world is getting crazy. It's getting crazy. Now I've seen people doing things that really don't amaze me. I've seen baby having babies who used to love work, them get lazy. I've seen a juvenile go grab a old lady, and then a big man molest a little baby. What happened to your rapper? Your dogs are feel shady. All your cops and your soldiers and your navy. Hey, the fire may got to blaze because this whole white world is getting crazy. It's getting crazy.